Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Viti Addo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about baby wet wipes. Now baby wet wipes are an important part of baby care, primarily because of the ease and effectiveness in cleaning and hygiene, especially during diaper change. Now, it comes with a lot of risk as well, like diaper rash and skin irritation. So choosing the right one is very important. And for my baby, I choose Mothersparsh 99% pure water unscented baby wipes with medical grade fabric. Now, these wipes are made with natural plant fabric that is 100% biodegradable. Also, this is India's first water-based wipes that is purest and thickest baby wipes. It has 72 unscented baby wipes that has 0% parabens, alcohol, platelets, sulfates, fragrance, petrochemicals, chlorine, dyes, and triclosan. These baby wipes are also hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested, and pH balanced. This baby wipes comes in a packaging like this. You get a flip open cap here, which is really sturdy. These baby wipes are really thick, they're really moist, and they also have a very good size for the cleaning and wiping of your baby's sensitive skin. Now, meet the purest care 99% pure water unscented baby wipes, the ideal choice for cleaning your munchkin's messy face, feet, hands, diaper areas, and whole body. These travel friendly and easy to use baby wet wipes are a must have in every parent's bag. These are clinically proven to be safe and gentle and free from harmful chemicals such as paraben and alcohol. You can trust these long-lasting, extra moist and 3 times thicker wipes for newborn babies to kids to provide the purest care for their delicate skin anytime, anywhere. The Mothersparsh 99% pure water unscented baby wipes for the extra care that your baby deserves. So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.